Question 31. Given that t is equal to 2 pi times square root of L over G, find the value of t when pi is equal to 22 over 7, L equal to 16, and G is equal to 10. You have the given expression. You replace pi, L, and G with what they stand for. If you divide here, you have root 1.6. 2 times 22 over 7 is 44 over 7. If you check this square root, you have this result. You multiply these two numbers, you have this result. Divide by 7, you have this result. To 2 decimal places or 3 SF, t is approximately equal to 7.95. The correct option is D. Question 32. Expand, bracket open, s minus 2, bracket close, bracket open again, s plus 6, bracket close. Solution. You have the given expression. To expand, you use all the terms in one of the brackets to multiply the other bracket. I'm using the first bracket to multiply the second bracket. That is the first term s times second bracket minus 2, the second term times second bracket. You have this result and this result. The correct option is A. Question 33. Simplify s squared minus 8s plus 12 over 3, bracket open, s squared plus s minus 6, bracket close, times 9, bracket open, s plus 3, bracket close. You factorize this expression and this expression, you have this result. Then 9 divided by this 3, you are left with 3 here. If you group the terms in twos, you have this result. You factor out the common term from each group, you have this result and this result. S minus 2 cancel s minus 2. S plus 3 cancel s plus 3. You are left with 3 times s minus 6 in this form. The correct option is D. Question 34. What is the angular difference in longitude between town A with this information and town B with this information? Solution. The two towns are on the same side of the equator and same side of the prime meridian. Their angular difference is through subtraction. That is 147 degrees minus 54 degrees equal to 93 degrees. The correct option is A. Question 35. In the diagram below, O is the center of the circle PQRO. If angle QPRO equal to 64 degrees and angle QROP equal to 46 degrees, calculate angle PORO, the angle at center. You simply join this point to the center to this point. you are to get this angle. Before then, this angle is needed. You have to add the 3 angles in triangle PQRO to get the third angle. And this angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Solution: in triangle PQRO, if you add the 3 angles, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You replace angle P and arrow with what they stand for. You add and you get this result. You collect like terms. Angle Q is equal to 70 degrees. Angle PORO is equal to 2 times angle PQRO. You have the reason. Therefore, angle PORO is equal to 2 times 70 degrees, and that is 140 degrees. The correct option is E. Question 36. In the figures below, find the value of L in meters. Solution: by similar triangle, the ratio of L to 420 is equal to the ratio of 18 to 24. But you have to convert this value and this to meters by using 100 to divide. So you have L over 420 equal to 0.18 over 0.25. If you make L the subject, you have this result, and 315. The correct option is E. Question 37. Find the gradient of the curve y equal to 2s squared plus 5s minus 1 at the point s equal to 4. Solution: gradient of a curve is equal to dy ds, that is increment in y to increment in s, also denoted by m. You have the curve, so the gradient is equal to 4s plus 5. You differentiate using power rule of differentiation. At s equal to 4, you come here and replace s with 4. So the gradient becomes 4 times 4 plus 5. That is 16 plus 5 equal to 21. The correct option is E. Question 38. An interior angle of a regular polygon is 108 degrees. Find the number of sides of the polygon. An interior angle, that means 1. Solution: each interior angle is given by this formula. You have one of the angles to be 108 degrees equal to this formula. Cross multiply to cleft fraction. You have it in this form. You open this bracket, you have these results. Transfer this term to the left, it becomes positive. You transfer this to the right, it becomes negative. When you subtract, you have 360 equal to 72n. Divide both sides by 72 and n is equal to 5. The correct option is B. Question 39. ABC is an isosceles triangle where E and D are points on AC and BC. respectively, such that BE is perpendicular to AC and ED perpendicular to BC. If angle ABE equal to 68 degrees and angle A equal to angle C, find angle CED. Solution. This diagram represents the given information. We are to find this angle CED, that is this angle. We need this angle with the help of this angle. To get this angle, we have to consider triangle AEB. It is a right-angled triangle. The sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. You have it in this form. After addition, you have this result. Angle BAE becomes this 22 degrees. Angle BCE, this angle is equal to this angle, 22 degrees. You have the reason. Triangle CDE is also another triangle that is isosceles. For that reason, the base angles are also equal. Therefore, angle BCE is equal to angle CED, and that is 22 degrees. The correct option is A. Question 40. In the figure below, O is the center of the circle. Calculate value of S. This S. For us to find S, we need this angle. Once we get this angle, we get this angle. If you add 40 degrees to S, the sum is equal to this angle. This angle ACE is equal to 40 degrees. This angle, angles in the same segment. This angle is known. We get this angle by considering triangle AEC. If you add the three angles, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have it in this form, and you have these results. Angle AEC becomes this, that is 106 degrees. 40 degrees plus S is equal to this angle, 106 degrees. You have the reason. Therefore, S is equal to 106 degrees minus 40 degrees, and you have 66 degrees. The correct option is B.